Hello, it is I, El Drago the First, and as you can see, I am playing Toka Kitchen 2. So, now let's hit this play button. So, first I'll cook for him. Now, basically, the game has different animations. The people will react differently to the foods, and there are way more. And how you cook them is also different. So, I'm gonna prepare this guy a glass of orange juice and cook him a fish. And let's fry the fish. It's just, see, frying pan works differently in this game than it did in the other one. And it also, in this game, you can make beverages. And you also have way more seasonings. So, let's see. How does he like the orange juice? How do you like this fish? Okay, he sneezed. And let's finish this off. Now, I'm going to make some fries. I'm gonna forget that tentacle. Actually, I could boil it. Let's take the meat out. Let's go to the cutting station. And now let's go to the deep fryer. And begin deep frying this. My little wedges are ready. And we'll boil this tentacle. How does he like it? It was just really hot. How does he like the meat? Ah. Okay then. So, let us move on. Now, I am going to simply pretend that she is a vegetarian.
Oh! Oh!
So let's fix her. So that. And let's put a bit of clove in this. Well, I'm just calling it clove. I don't know what it's actually called. Let's just set a strawberry off to the side. And let's grab some carrots, some tomato, and some broccoli. And let's just swing my blade wildly around. So, how does she like the food I have prepared? Here, have some broccoli. Have a carrot. Now have a tomato. Now eat this piece of bread. Can you get your strawberry? No, you can't. Such a baby, you've gotta be fed. Just drink the rest of this. And well, let us cook for the last customer. Well, I say customer. I'm not getting paid for any of this. So let's just cook for the Yeti. Let's get this. Yeah, just eat the broccoli right now. Now let's fry this fish. Swing it around the pot. Let's bake this potato. Set it off to the side.